walk to the right. Please walk to the right. It's the only cafe in the neighborhood called D Lounge. It serves coffee, tea, juices, and traditional Korean drinks, and sells drinks and sandwiches, handmade pork cutlet, and pork rice as takeout. If you need somewhere to chat over a quiet cup of tea, this is the place. This is a discount store specializing in ice cream. It is a good option for those who want to experience various flavors because there are many kinds of ice cream, and most of all, it is cheap. Also, snacks and drinks are sold at an affordable price, so it would be a good option for those who want to taste various kinds of snacks in Korea. The store is open 24 hours a day. It is a household famous for its reliable laundry, called a luxury Chungha laundry shop. If you have any dry cleaning or urgent laundry, you will be satisfied if you leave it here. Sneakers, shoes, and bags are also washable. So be soon.